Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel all about chemistry. Hope you all are fine. I am your teacher, Miss Sana. So this tutorial is about chemistry grade 10 practical. And practical is how to identify saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So before starting today's experiment, I want to discuss with you some important points regarding this experiment. First of all, you know about the hydrocarbon. So what is hydrocarbon? Simple, hydro means hydrogen and carbon means carbon. So simple, carbon and hydrogen compounds are known as hydrocarbon, and this hydrocarbon is divided into two categories: saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So saturated hydrocarbons means alkenes and alkynes. That means the hydrocarbons in which carbon-carbon double or triple bond is present. And saturated hydrocarbons, that means carbon-carbon single bond is present. An example is alkane. In alkane, only carbon-carbon single bond is present. Okay, so example, saturated hydrocarbons, that means alkane. Alkane means carbon-carbon single bond. And here example is butane. You can see four carbon is there and carbon-carbon single bond is present in between all the carbons. And this carbon valency is satisfied by the hydrogen. Now, unsaturated hydrocarbons, example alkenes, that means carbon-carbon double bond, example ethene. And alkyne, alkyne means carbon-carbon, at least one carbon-carbon triple bond is present in case of alkyne. An example is propyne. Okay, hope you all have understood the concept till here. In this experiment, we have to find out the saturated and unsaturated. How can we find out the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons? By using our experiment. So let's start today's experiment. So experiment is identify saturated, that means carbon carbon single bond, and unsaturated hydrocarbons by using KMNO4 test. Okay, so KMNO4 potassium permanganate. This KMNO4 is purple in color. So what we have to do, we have a test tube and we add the KMNO4 solution in our test tube which contain unknown solution, and we have to identify either this test tube contains carbon-carbon single bond or carbon-carbon double or triple bond. Okay, so this test is also known as Bayer's test, and this experiment is demonstrated by Miss Sumera. So let's get started today's practical.
Introduction of apparatus, what you need. We need test tubes. These are the test tubes. This is test tube holder. These are two unknown solutions, and this is pinky. Yes, this is pinky. What its chemical name? Its chemical name is potassium permanganate, KMNO4. This is pipette. This is dropper. This is wash glass. Okay, what we need to do, we are first taking washed test tube and fit it into test tube holder. Then what we need solution A. We are taking 5 cubic centimeter of solution A. This is a test tube of 10 cubic centimeter. How to take the solution? We will suck the solution with mouth, and you have to keep finger to stop the solution in pipette. Okay, I am taking. Okay, like this. Then you can. Okay students, this is solution A. I have taken 5 cubic centimeter and I am keeping in test tube stand. And now I am taking test tube B. And I will take 5 cubic centimeter of solution B. This is 5 cubic centimeter. now I am having two test tubes, test tube A and test tube B. Okay, I am going to keep it here. This is test tube A and this is our favorite pinky KMnO4 potassium permanganate. We will add few drops of potassium permanganate in given solution A and we will check our conclusion or observation. This is pinky and I am going to add in pinky like this. Okay. Check the observation, what is going to happen. There is nothing happening there. There is no color change. There is no discharge of KMnO4 pink color. The KMnO4 pink color persists here. So, what will be the result? We will discuss later. This is solution B and I will repeat the process. I will add pinky or KMnO4 in solution B. Check what is happening here. The color of potassium permanganate KMnO4 has discharged, has disappeared. So, what is our observation that when color of KMnO4 discharge or disappear, the given compound is unsaturated. The given compound is unsaturated. And when the color of KMnO4 persists, the given compound is saturated. Got it? The same test will be performed by bromine water test. Same as it is, you will take bromine water here and we will take different solutions and we will add bromine water. If the color of bromine water changes or discharge like this, the given solution will be unsaturated. Unsaturated means multiple carbon-carbon bonding will be there. If the color of bromine water will not change as the color of KMnO4 does not change here. So the given compound will be saturated ones. Both of the tests are present in your chemistry practical journal. You can read both. We have demonstrated the identification of unsaturated organic compounds by KMnO4 test. Hopefully you have understood the demonstration. If there is any question, you can ask me. Thank you.
I hope you all have understood the concepts of practical very clearly. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.